Does it matter which is minimis?
No.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Lily. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Oh, make a wish.
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you. I'll show you that one in a minute.
Which side do you like? That
Ooh.
one or this one? Of your eyelashes?
This side.
I love this side.
Yeah, it's lovely. Thank you.
I used this most of it.
Did you? That's nice. It's very nice.
Money.
Whoa! They're old ones, aren't they? Yes.
Ooh. Hello, mate.
Hello.
What have you got on your eyes?
My iPad.
All right.
Oh, I'm meant to do the broccoli. I'll take them in. Does it matter which is minimis?
No.
Oh my goodness, she's never got the same as us. She'll never eat it all. Which one looks nice? Just put it on you. What do you think? Bangers and mash. Mashed potato and so it's very hot, Minnie.
Yeah, be careful, Minnie.
It affects everybody's lives, it affects businesses. The shop, because of how it happened so quickly, almost just 24 hours notice to get prepared, and that is not good for businesses and people planning their lives. And the anger is about, well, when we just went into tier 2, we gave out those messages about staying safe, but we feel that our message was undermined a little bit by our local MPs, Ben Bradley and Lee Anderson, saying that we were dragging them into tier 2. And really, that's undermined that safety message, and we really, it's a time for us all to come together, because this is a really serious situation.
To be fair to Mr. Bradley, he did say just...
Then put the corners on the bottom. She's gone to sleep. And we're trying to make the bed.
I know.
That's not very good, is it? Stand this way, hold it with 2 hands, and we have to do a really big shaky to make it straight. There, is that good? Now get it at the side. Yes, great job.
I always do this. Do that again. Do that big.
Just a minute. Oh.
On the sidey one.
Where's Minnie?
I do it with Carol.
Do you? There you go. Can you tidy the top up, Minnie?
Pardon?
Can you tidy that piece? Make that nice and neat and straight. That's it. And then shake the pillow a bit. Right, now put the pillow on the bed. That's it. Nice and neatly. Oh, that'll be lovely tonight, won't it? Yeah? It just breaks, so I thought we'll make this cake for Ruby. And we can play with her. Yeah?
Are you gonna play as well?
Yeah.
Good.
That's it. Now do it through another one. Different one. Different hole. Oh. Go on then. Now one at the back. Can you reach these at the back? Now do it again. No, don't bite the box. That's cheating. Pull it quick. That's it. Try another hole. Oh. And the ones nearer the back, that's it, nice and gently. Now this side. That's it. Now rinse the toothbrush. She liked that lot, now you have to cuss her. Because she likes some love now, she's been a good girl and had a toothbrush. And that's why that toothbrush always stays at the bottom. Wash your hands now.
Yeah.
Because you're brushing the dog's teeth.